Hunter here. Today I'm going to teach you how to earn $20 every 60 seconds for free. Now this is going to be free PayPal money, and this is going to be a worldwide method of making money online. Um, Guys, if you've been enjoying my videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, I know that we are getting a lot of traffic and views, but not a lot of you are subscribing. So please, if you could do so, it's definitely going to help my channel out a lot. If you would just hit the subscribe button, I really appreciate it. And if you are constantly checking the channel, looking to see if I'm posting new videos, the easiest way to find out if I posted a video is to just go ahead and click the bell icon in the corner for notifications for when I do upload these videos. I'm trying to do them as much as possible. Life gets in the way and things are kind of crazy, but I am trying to get at least 5 videos up a week. So make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. If there are things that you are looking to see, you can't figure out on your own, or you can't figure something out from one of the videos that I have posted, drop me a comment. I'm going to make sure that I can walk you guys through everything. So just make sure to leave a comment for me, guys. I really appreciate it. I like to know if you guys are liking the content that I'm posting, or if there's things I can be improving on. So go ahead, leave me some comments, guys. I really appreciate it. If you are ready to take action today and you want to become a full-time online entrepreneur, you want to make money online, you're sick of getting up and going to work every single day, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's going to be the first link in the description below. I know that you can do it. I believe in you, and I think that this is going to be a life changer. So check this link out for me, guys. Awesome. So getting right into this video, like I said, I'm going to teach you how to make $20 every 60 seconds. Now, I'm going to teach you a way of making a little bit more money than what I just promised, but you need to stay until the end of the video. Now, in order to be able to make this method work, you need to stay for the whole video. You cannot skip through it. You cannot skim it. You need to make sure to watch this entire video, so don't go anywhere, guys. So today we're going to be looking at a site called ShrinkEarn.com. Now, there are going to be a lot of sites online that are going to shrink URLs for you, but not a lot of them actually pay you to do it. Now, the main method behind this way of making money online is you are going to find URLs, and you're going to shrink them, and you're going to post them a whole bunch of places, especially forums and blogs. Now, when you are doing these posting, you want to make sure that you are not being spammy. Being spammy means just slapping your URL that you have shortened everywhere. Don't do that. Nobody likes it. Nobody likes a spammer. So make sure when you're doing this, you're leaving valuable comments and things of that nature. So that way you're giving some sort of value before you are just slapping your URL in there. So what it is it is a URL shortener. Now it says that once you get 1,000 clicks, you can make $20, and this is going to be paid to you through PayPal money, as I promised before. And this is going to be a worldwide method. This is going to be able to be available in a boatload of different countries, which I will show you. You just got to stay for the video. It's right towards the end, which I will show you which countries it is available in as well. So guys, get yourself up at ShrinkEarn, get yourself signed up for an account. I don't actually have one just for the purposes of this video, but I don't really need one to be able to show you how it works. One thing I do want to show you about ShrinkEarn is payment proof that people are actually making money on these sites. As you can see, I pulled something up already because I was like, you know, this is kind of crazy. You can make money doing this. So I found this site, and it's just payment proof that the net amount that this person has earned is $32.08. People are actually getting paid to put their links in comments and drive people, drive them to random places. You can drive them to YouTube videos, you can drive them to different blogs. It doesn't really matter where you're driving them to, as long as people are clicking on it and you're not getting yourself kicked out of forums. Now, I looked on Quora too also, and I found a whole bunch of people that are saying that ShrinkEarn is a available way to make money. It works great. They got paid $3 for 1,000 views. I'm going to show you that they probably were not using my method of being able to make $20, but you need to be able to stay for the entire video to figure out how to exactly make the $20 per minute. But go on Quora, check it out. You can do some more research online. Shrink Earn does pay, and it does pay very well for very little work. Now, guys, this isn't going to require any type of experience. A second grader could do this. I mean, literally, one of my middle kids could probably figure this out. Um, you just have to have a computer. You need to have internet. You don't need to have a phone. You don't need to have, a microphone. You're not going to be uploading videos. So this is really easy. It's really quick. And if you just spend, like 30 minutes to a couple hours a day doing this, you're going to be able to make money online, which is what I want to see you guys doing. So back over to Shrink Earn. So we've gotten to the site. We've logged in. We need to find some forums. Now, I'm going to use cooking as my topic just because I tend to do a lot of it. My kids think that I'm a short order cook, so I'm always online looking for new recipes and things like that. So I'm a part of a bunch of forums. So I pulled up cooking forums of 2019. And as you can see, there's a bunch of them on here. There's Chef Talk, there's Garden Web, there's a bunch of cooking forums, and I've already clicked on one and done a little bit of research on it because I personally really like this forum. Now what you're going to do is you're going to find yourself a topic, and right now we're going to do spice or beef. And I'm just going to click on it right here. Obviously my internet's a little bit slow right now. There we go. Oh my goodness. Slower than molasses in the middle of February. So as you can see, there's some things here. What you're going to do is you're going to just find a place to comment on it. Once you find your place to comment on it, like I said, you're going to leave a little bit of value. Now, in order to drag them somewhere, I prefer to use YouTube because I feel like you can pretty much look anything up on YouTube. So I've already looked up some beef recipes, which here we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to look up something in regards to the comment that you're using, and it was spice or beef. So I've looked up some beef recipes, and I've actually done this recipe. I highly recommend this one. It's a really good one if you guys are interested. Anyways, what you're going to do is you're going to go over and you're going to click share on any of the YouTube videos that you would like to share because it's going to give you the URL for them. As you can see, here is the URL. Now you're not going to post this in your comment. That's where Shrink Earn comes in handy. So what you're going to do is you're going to take it, you're going to copy it. Copy. Well, let's hope it worked. Then you're going to take it over to Shrink Earn right here, and you are going to paste it on there, and you are going to hit I am not a robot. And keep in mind, guys, I'm not actually signed in right now, and you are just going to click this little green button. What it's going to do is it's going to take you over to get your URL. So once you have your URL, you go right back over to your discussion site and you say, hey guys, the best spicy beef recipe that I ever found was this buttery garlic one, blah, blah, say blah, say blah, say blah. I cook it every day. My kids love it. It's my go-to recipe when the kids have soccer practice. Whatever, leave something of value. And then say, hey guys, check it out. It's on YouTube. And you post your URL from Shrink Earn. Now, once you do this and you do it enough times, as you can see, there's a bunch of forums that you could be doing it on. You're going to be getting clicks onto your YouTube, onto your URL, which is going to take them to that YouTube video. I don't know whose YouTube video it is. All I'm concerned about is my URL that I got from Shrink Earn, because once I hit 1,000 views on Shrink Earn, I'm going to make $20. So you go and don't spam. You just sit there and leave valuable content. Honestly, you can leave the same comment over and over and over on a bunch of different forums. So just copy and paste it. Paste your comment and then copy and paste your URL onto these forums. Now, people are going to be clicking on them and you're going to be making money. Now, I really appreciate you staying the whole way through this video, and because you did so, I'm going to teach you how this works. So what we're going to do is we're going to pop right over to publisher rates. So this is exactly how it works. It's earnings per 1,000 views. So as you can see, Greenland's making the best amount of money per view. They just are. It's just the way it is. That's just how it goes. So you want to make sure that this is going in front of people in Greenland. And the quick way to be able to do this is to go into your Google settings. Now, once you go into your Google settings, it is going to look just like this. You're going to go into Google settings and you're going to go into search settings. Now, when you go into search settings, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. You're going to click show more. And you're going to look for Greenland just because they have a higher pay rate. And you're going to go and click on it and you're going to save your settings. As you can see, there's a bunch of different places that you can pick to be. Right now we're looking for Greenland. So I would click Greenland and then I would go and save my settings. And that's how you're going to be able to actually make the most amount of money doing this, is you've got to change your settings. Now, if you didn't stay for the whole video, you wouldn't have known this little hack on how to make it work for you the best way. Now guys, if you really like this video, make sure to hit the like button. If you've been watching my channel for a little bit, please just make sure to hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Definitely click the bell icon so I can send you notifications every single time I upload a video. You will hopefully get 5 a week. Fingers crossed. If you want to know my number one recommendation for making money online, it's the first link in the description below. It's really going to be worth the time to just take a look at it. If you want to quit your job, you want to be a full-time worker online, you're sick of getting up, you want to hang out in your pajamas like I get to do every single day, you want to be able to be there for all of your kids' events, you want to be a stay-at-home parent, but you still want to bring some money to the table, that link in the first link in the description below is how you're going to be able to do it. So definitely click on it, take a look, and thanks for watching this video. I really appreciate it. We'll see you soon, guys.